It's 5 p.m. in Ukraine, and here are a few updates on the war ravaging the country. According to a Ukrainian Brigadier General, Russia has doubled the number of air raids on Ukraine's military positions and civilian infrastructure compared with the previous week. This is as Ukraine aims to evacuate two-thirds of residents from areas it controls in the eastern battleground region of Donetsk before winter. President Volodymyr Zelensky told government officials to stop talking to reporters about Ukraine's military tactics against Russia, saying such remarks were frankly irresponsible. He was reacting to newspaper reports citing unidentified officials as saying Ukrainian forces were responsible for the explosions in Crimea.